This gentleman wears so many hats in a very serious way. He actually played cricket for Jamaica, played football for St. George's College, and in another very serious way, probably should take some credit about what's going on now. Long-time national coach, Excelsior coach. He's won 7 titles as a coach of a female team. He's now at Dintil, same all over the place. But the reason he's here, twofold. He's one of our analysts for the World Cup, and he's brought a couple of players. One, a former national player who actually played recently when they went
and just win a big game.
And went to England. That's Tarania Clark, and Davia Richards is in the green. Tarania, who plays
under 20.
No, me I try to remember her position.
Oh.
Centre half. And Davia is a right winger. Morning. Quickly, how do you think the young ladies might do at the World Cup?
I'm predicting that they'll advance. Hopefully we can get 3 points from Brazil and at least a point from Italy. It's going to be difficult to beat Australia. And then I think they should advance with that.
And then?
Hopefully we'll see how far it goes from there. But wishing them all the best and we're supporting them.
Yeah. I don't know if you saw Sim earlier. Any hope for a Masters League team or so?
Sure, because she won the game.
Okay. Appreciate that. Okay. Hater.
But you're here just to show some drills. These are just regular, as they say, soccer drills. This is nothing out of the...
No, these are just some regular drills that a footballer has to go through most of the time.
Which means there's nothing regular about them. Because you have to be fit and in form.
Definitely. It's quite demanding.
Right.
So we're going to go through some footwork drill here, through agility ladder.
By the way, quickly, as I said, you're at Dintil now, which is a boys' team. What's the difference in coaching the young ladies and the young boys?
It's different. The young ladies requires a lot more attention. It's more sensitive in terms of dealing with them.
Why?
It is.
I'm just asking why.
I mean, they're more emotional, and you have to be careful how you speak and what to say to them. So
when you're coaching the boy team, I say, hey boy, you can't ball out. Hey boy.
Ladies, do you agree with that?
Can't.
If you're more emotional? Okay.
All right, let's see a couple of the drills. Let me back off.
So just some footwork drill through the ladder here. Tarina, where you start with you. So you're going to go that way. Tap on the ball and drag as she goes along down to the ladder. And this will definitely improve your footwork as strikers, your agility. And Davia, you go ahead now.
Improves your coordination to a suspect.
Exactly.
Sim, try it. Sim.
No, sir.
Sim, try it.
No, manage that, Bridget.
So it looks very easy and simple, but
it
requires some level of coordination.
Sim,
yeah,
man.
I can't.
Aye. Well, we kids are just do continue right there, so that's the idea for research. Match up the people them something. Well, there you go.
Go!
So you know her position, centre forward.
Thank you.
All right, what's the next one?
And then we're gonna do some dribbling through the cones here.
Oh. I used to
so
do this.
let's go, Tarina.
Yes.
Where's the next one? See my foot this thing. Yeah.
So again, required coordination, balance.
And precision.
Yep. Oh yes. Let's go, Davia.
Summer.
And what you want most time once you go
Summer. Go on them mash up and all people.
Just take your time. Take your time. Nice and slow.
I'm not going to make him bait me, coach.
Nice and slow. You're doing well. You're doing well.
You're
doing well.
No, we're doing well. Stop in.
Very good. Excellent.
Don't bait me, nothing.
And you have to finish off with a shot and goal. You have to finish off with a shot and...
Beautiful.
Back up the day.
It didn't really go. It really came out of the net.
Stop.
It really hit the back.
And the next one?
One more. And this will improve your footwork as you dribble. So here we have Davia and Tarina. Come this way, Tarina. So they're just going to drag the ball. Go to that one. So they're going to drag the ball, open your hips. Take your time, start slowly. Let's go. Open your hips. Go touch. Nice and easy. And as they get used to it now, you pick up the speed. Good, very good. And again, a lot of footwork, coordination, balance. Very good. So these are just some simple drills. You don't need a big open space. You just need a small area, even in your room, on the veranda. you can do these drills, and it will definitely improve your balance, agility, coordination. All right?
All right. So, thanks, Davia
welcome.
and
Terania,
It's
yes.
Terania. Davia and Terania, both from Excelsior. Congrats. They just won the competition this year. And as I said, Coach Davia, he would have won 7 titles overall. Take a break. A little bit more still left on Smile Jamaica. As
You go
Tyrone
into the
that. Let's
last
go swim.
exercise. Let me see the last
The
one.
last one. Where's the last one?
Yeah.
This one here?
Open your hips and
Let me know about.
coordination.
Where's the coach? Where's the coach?